Have you ever wondered how to master advanced prompting, simulate interactive conversations, and stay organized like a pro with ChatGPT? If so, get ready to unlock the ultimate AI experience that will revolutionize your interactions. It's time to embark on a journey of discovery through the boundless realm of AI Techscape, where we unveil the 12 essential tips for ChatGPT mastery in 2023. But that's not all. Stay tuned to explore the possibilities of upgrading your ChatGPT experience to unleash its full potential. Join us on this thrilling journey through AI Techscape as we unravel the mysteries of ChatGPT mastery. Are you ready to embrace the incredible world of AI and seize every opportunity it offers? Let's dive in and immerse ourselves in the extraordinary possibilities ahead. Tip number 1. Master advanced prompting. Give ChatGPT clear instructions. ChatGPT, your powerful language partner, thrives on clear prompts. Think of it as an incredibly talented yet sensitive artist that needs precise direction to create the masterpiece you desire. In addition, clear and concise prompts enable ChatGPT to deliver accurate and helpful responses. Specify how you want ChatGPT to act or format the output. Imagine guiding an artist with specific details to create a work of art that truly resonates with you. For instance, when seeking information about cars, avoid a vague prompt like, "Tell me about cars." Instead, try something like, "Compare the fuel efficiency of electric cars versus gasoline cars." This way, ChatGPT can provide a focused and relevant response tailored to your needs. Tip number 2. Follow-up questions. Delve deeper. Engaging in follow-up questions with ChatGPT allows you to delve deeper into a topic, much like having an interactive conversation with an expert. By asking more detailed insights, you can gain valuable knowledge and explore complex subjects further. To explore a scientific concept thoroughly, you can ask ChatGPT, "Explain the theory of relativity." After receiving the initial response, follow up with, "How does time dilation affect GPS satellites?" This continuous interaction helps you obtain a comprehensive understanding of the topic. Tip number 3. Step-by-step prompt. Learn complex concepts. ChatGPT excels at providing step-by-step guides, making it an excellent tool for learning complex concepts or acquiring new skills. These guides break down intricate subjects into manageable steps, aiding in better understanding and implementation. When trying to learn a programming language, you might ask ChatGPT, "Can you provide a step-by-step guide to create a basic website?" By requesting a structured explanation, you receive a clear path to follow, making it easier to start your coding journey. Tip number 4. Generate to-do lists. Stay organized. Creating to-do lists with ChatGPT is like having a virtual assistant that helps you stay organized and manage your task efficiently. By generating clear lists of objectives, you can prioritize and track your progress effectively. To plan a successful event, you can ask ChatGPT, "What are the essential tasks for organizing a conference?" By generating a comprehensive to-do list, ChatGPT ensures that you cover all necessary aspects, making your event planning seamless. Tip number 5. Assign roles. Simulate conversations. Assigning roles to different personas in your interaction with ChatGPT adds a dynamic element, allowing you to simulate conversations between multiple entities. It's like engaging in roleplay scenarios for various situations. For an immersive experience, you can ask ChatGPT to assume the role of a historical figure, saying, "As Albert Einstein, explain the theory of relativity." This interactive roleplay brings history to life and provides unique insights into Einstein's groundbreaking work. Tip number 6. Format your outputs. Enhance readability. Formatting your outputs with ChatGPT enhances readability, making it easier to comprehend the information presented, just like organizing content in a well-structured manner for better understanding. To get a clear comparison of smartphone features, you can ask ChatGPT, "Can you format the pros and cons of each model in a table?" This way, ChatGPT presents the information in an organized table, making it simple to evaluate and make an informed decision. Tip number 7. Accelerate learning with ChatGPT. Rapid knowledge acquisition. With ChatGPT, you can accelerate your learning process by rapidly acquiring knowledge on a wide range of topics. ChatGPT serves as your knowledgeable companion, providing valuable insights to boost your understanding. To delve into new subjects, you can ask ChatGPT, explain the principles of quantum mechanics. This will enable you to grasp the fundamentals of the topic quickly, empowering you with essential insights to explore more advanced concepts. Tip number 8. Use Explain It to a Child. Simplify concepts. By requesting ChatGPT to explain concepts like you would to a child, you can simplify complex ideas. This technique helps you grasp intricate concepts in an easily understandable manner. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, "Can you explain the concept of quantum entanglement in simple terms?" By specifying like you would to a child, ChatGPT will provide a straightforward explanation, making the concept more accessible and comprehensible. Tip number 9. Change your dashboard appearance. Customize your experience. Customizing the dashboard appearance in ChatGPT allows you to tailor your experience for maximum comfort and aesthetics. It's like personalizing your workspace to suit your style and preferences, making your interactions with ChatGPT even more enjoyable. In the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, you'll find 3 dots representing the setting menu. Click on these dots to access setting options. Then, within the setting menu, look for the Appearance or Theme section. Click on it to explore the available appearance options. ChatGPT typically offers a few theme options for you to choose from. First, System Colors. If you prefer to maintain consistency with your system-wide colors, you can select this option. ChatGPT will adapt its appearance to match your system's theme. Second, Dark Mode. Opting for Dark Mode transforms the dashboard into a darker color scheme, which can reduce eye strain and provide a more comfortable experience during nighttime or low-light conditions. And lastly, Light Mode. The Light Mode offers a clean and clear appearance for those who prefer a brighter interface. Once you've selected your preferred appearance, make sure to save your settings to apply the changes. By customizing the dashboard appearance, you can create an environment that complements your preferences and enhances your overall interaction with ChatGPT. Tip number 10. Rename chat logs. Organize conversations effectively. Renaming chat logs in ChatGPT is a powerful feature for better organization and easy retrieval of conversations. It's like customizing labels for your interactions, allowing you to quickly identify and access specific chat logs. In ChatGPT's dashboard, you'll find a list of your recent chat logs. To access the chat logs, click on the relevant conversation you wish to rename. Within the chat log, look for a small pencil or edit icon, typically placed next to the existing chat log name or at the top of the conversation. Click on the pencil or edit icon to enable the renaming option. This action will allow you to modify the current name of the chat log. Delete the existing name and enter a new name that best represents the content or purpose of the chat log. You can choose a name based on topic, participants, date, or any other relevant information. After renaming the chat log, make sure to save your changes. Most platforms provide a checkmark or save button to confirm the new name. By assigning personalized names to your chat logs, you create a well-structured dashboard, making it easier to find and manage specific conversations. Moreover, customizing chat log labels ensures rapid access to past interactions whenever needed, instead of relying solely on generated names. Tip number 11. Unleash creativity, fun, and games with ChatGPT. Beyond productivity, ChatGPT is an excellent source of entertainment and creativity. Have fun with imaginative prompts, explore storytelling, or ask for trivia for a delightful experience. For a playful interaction, you can challenge ChatGPT with, "Let's create a fantasy story together." Watch as ChatGPT weaves a captivating narrative, giving life to your imaginary world. And tip number 12. Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus Enhanced Features. Enhance your ChatGPT interactions by upgrading to ChatGPT Plus at just $20 per month. With this subscription, you'll gain access to ChatGPT 4, an advanced version equipped with powerful reasoning capabilities, enabling swift resolution of complex issues. Moreover, as a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you'll enjoy priority access to the latest features and updates, staying ahead of the curve and harnessing AI's potential. ChatGPT Plus also ensures uninterrupted access even during peak demand. Additionally, you can add third-party plugins and web browsing integration. If you need more features than what is typically in ChatGPT 3.5, then you can always upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. There you have it, ChatGPT Mastery in 2023 with 12 essential tips to level up like a pro. Which of these 12 essential tips are you most eager to try out? Let us know your thoughts and plans in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic AI Techscape updates. Hit that notification bell to stay informed about all the latest advancements in the world of artificial intelligence. Keep pushing the boundaries, experimenting, and making the most of ChatGPT's incredible capabilities.